Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to type arrow mark in laptop. So the alt code method is simply very easy. This is the most technical way to do it. It works in almost any Windows application, Word, Notepad, browser without needing a mouse. If you want to insert an up arrow, so hold down the alt key and press the 2 4 on the numeric side keypad and release the alt key. And if you want to insert down key, you need to hold down the alt key and press 2 5 and release the alt key. And if you want to insert the right key, you need to press down the alt key and press 2 6 and release the alt key. And if you want to insert the left arrow, you need to hold down the alt key and press 2 7 and release the alt key. Moreover, if you frequently type arrows in Word or PowerPoint, you can program the laptop to create them automatically using specific text triggers. For this you need to type two hyphens and put the greater than sign. It will turn into right arrow. And similarly, put the left sign and type two hyphen. It will insert the left arrow. And for double arrow, you need to put the equal sign 2 times and insert the greater than symbol. Moreover, there is another method. You need to type 2190 and press Alt X all together. This will insert the left arrow. And again type 2191 and press Alt X all together. This is the up arrow. And press 2192 and press Alt X all together. This is the right arrow. And 2193 press Alt X all together. This is the down arrow. So this is a simple method. You can easily type arrow marks in laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.